Good morning, everybody. So I wanted to film a healing girl morning routine just because I feel like your mornings are the most important part of your day, and it really sets the tone for how you are going to live out that day. And so for me, of course, I wake up, I go in the bathroom, I look at myself, I'm tired still, brush my teeth, and then of course wash my face. And I just really feel like that saying that goes, if you look good, you feel good, is very true. And so for me, feeling clean, feeling fresh, washing my face, brushing my teeth, all that stuff just makes me feel good. So then we're going to make the bed. I don't know about y'all, but I have to make my bed in the morning. Like, if I don't make my bed in the morning, then I will literally cringe myself out. So waking up and making my bed and putting all my pillows on my bed and fixing my comforter and everything like that just makes me feel good. Like, it makes me feel like I have my stuff together. And isn't that what we're all searching for? That feeling of having our stuff together. So yeah, that is what I have to do. Now we're getting into some affirmations. So for me, affirmations are extremely important because it helps set the tone for my day. It honestly gives me boundaries, and it allows me to put into the universe what I want to see happen in my life, happen in myself. So yeah, that's me completing them and saying, and so it is. Now we're going to start journaling. I don't know about you guys, but I love journaling. I love writing. My grandma always told me that I needed to write a book, so I may do that. But yeah, I've been writing since I was a little freaking girl. I don't know about you guys, but it just makes me feel good. Just seeing all of my thoughts on paper and just getting them out of my head and into my journal allows me to create space for better, more positive, healthier thoughts. And so yeah, this is another thing that I like to incorporate in my morning routine. Just everything that I'm feeling, maybe from last night, this morning, whatever, and then just going on about my day. Now we are getting into some slim, thick girl protein shake. I like to make this protein smoothie morning and night. We got some bananas, strawberries, berries, peanut butter, protein powder, almond milk. But yeah, this is so good. Oh my god, it's so good. I want some right now. But yeah, I learned this from TikTok. I'm trying to gain weight, so this helps me get all of my protein I need for the day. And yeah, just look at that. It just looks so good. Oh my god, it just looks so good. So yeah, I'm gonna drink that, and yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mona here, and I'm back for another freaking video. But first, let me get my smoothie because we got some things to talk about. Okay, I am feeling good, feeling much better than I did yesterday. I wanted to share some of my healing girl morning routine with you guys because I'm actively healing, as we all are, and I feel like most of your healing doesn't come until you decide to make a change. And for a long time, I wasn't actively, intentionally doing things that was going to heal my mind and my spirit and my soul and my emotions. And one day I just decided, like, it's time for a change, and that is what I did. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Amani. I talk a lot about moving out of state, mental health, mindset, and everything having to do with self-development and building yourself up to be the best self you can be. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for just being here and supporting me on this journey. We finally hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Amani Collins, my TikTok The Amani Collins as well, because when I'm not on YouTube, I'm still very much on social media, just on easier platforms, I guess you could say. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I want to talk about my journey and just how I got to the point of just wanting to heal myself. As you know, everyone, I go through things, right? Like, I go through experiences that leave a mark on me. I feel like this past season of my life, I was just kind of going through some things, and I felt like a change was needed. I was waking up at 8:30, 9 a.m. I was waking up, getting right on my phone, getting right to work, just in autopilot, right? Some of us live our life literally in autopilot, and for me, I was not doing that because I realized that the morning sets the tone for your day. And the fact that I wasn't waking up and being intentional about my day, it always kind of spiraled, right? Like I always had these crazy thoughts. I always wasn't working at the highest level I could, and I wasn't in a space where I felt like I was succeeding or actively like working hard to be the best that I can be in my everyday life. I realized, girl, you need a change. And so from there, I just started to incorporate things that felt good to me. I think a lot of times people think that they have to do exactly what they see on social media. They feel like they have to do things to uphold this aesthetic, but really there's no aesthetic when you're just trying to heal yourself. You're just trying to get closer to the best version of you. And for me, I love to write, so I incorporate journaling in my morning routine. I love to say affirmations and set the tone for my day and set those boundaries for myself, because sometimes, y'all, we listen to these subconscious beliefs that just go on and on in our head, and we don't realize that they're not ours. Those voices in your head are not yours. We go through so many different experiences just in one day. Passing someone in conversation, scrolling through your phone, watching YouTube videos, listening to music. So many of these external factors play a part in our mental, in our thoughts, in our belief systems. When you don't actively sit and try to heal yourself, like I feel like I've been needing to do for a long time, you're just running in a circle. I was recently thinking about it, and I said, I feel like I'm running on one of those little hamster wheels, constantly running, but not going anywhere but in a circle. And from there, I was just like, yeah, something needs to change, because I've been on this journey before, and healing is a never-ending process. There's no one stop, one thing that's gonna automatically make you healed. It's just a constant journey. I've felt like I've been, you know, more healed in seasons and then less healed in other seasons, and I felt like it's time to get back to doing the things that brought me closer to me. And that just involved some of the, you know, the routines that you guys saw earlier in this video, with me just saying my affirmations and journaling, and even just waking up and making my bed or brushing my teeth. I actually do meditation as well. I kind of want to show you guys what I do for that, because I feel like it's very important, and meditation actually helps me to silence not only my thoughts, but sometimes my emotions too. Your emotions is nothing but energy and motion, and sometimes your thoughts can actually affect how you feel. But when you meditate, you are observing the thoughts that are coming in and out without judgment. And so for me, when I meditate, I just allow all of my feelings, my emotions, my thoughts, negative and positive, to just come up. I just allow it to come up. Most of the times I can pinpoint exactly where in my body I feel the most pain. Every single time I meditate, I can always figure out what's going on in my head and what am I believing in that exact moment. And so I meditate to just calm myself down, observe my thoughts, let go of my thoughts, and just have a clear and fresh start on the day. And I want to show you guys actually what I do to meditate, because I know some people struggle with it. So I'm going to show you guys what I do and how I kind of just start my day. So I'm sitting crisscross, and y'all can sit how you want, lay how you want. You can be in the shower, you can be sitting outside on your porch, you can be doing whatever you want to do. Always make sure your practices are comfortable for you. Again, don't try to upkeep this aesthetic that people post on social media. Be you, do what works for you. And this position actually works for me because it allows me to sit up straight. I have a bad habit of like slouching, so I cross my legs and sit up straight, and I just put my hands lightly on my thighs or knees, and I hold my hands like this. You don't have to, but I do it because it just makes me feel like I'm opening myself up to explore my healing, my calmness, my presence in this moment. Anyways, I sit like this, close my eyes, and I start with just breathing, maybe 3 to 4 times. And you do like a deep breath in, hold it for 4 seconds, and then breathe out for 4 seconds. So you breathe in 4 times, hold for 4, and let out for 4. And you do that 3 to 4 times, or however long it feels good for you. So I'm gonna do it again. And even me just doing that 3 times, I think that was 4 times, I feel lighter, I feel calmer, I feel that it's gonna be okay. Whatever it is I'm dealing with, whatever it is you're dealing with, it's going to be okay. Do you know why it's gonna be okay? Because you are in control of your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, your feelings. And when you decide that you're ready to heal, when you decide that you're ready to make a change, it's up to you to do it. This season I'm just super sensitive and emotional, trying to figure out myself, and by just doing all these practices, I find myself just really at peace. And whenever I do experience those moments of sadness or abandonment or whatever I may feel subconsciously, I just take a minute to and I let it go. I want you guys to know that you're loved, you're worthy. To begin, if not continue your healing journey, know that it is not a linear path, because everyone always thinks that healing is gonna be, but no, you're gonna have the ups, you're gonna have the downs, you're gonna have the lefts, you're gonna have the rights, you're gonna have the good, you're gonna have the bad. But the only thing that matters is, how are you responding? How are you reacting? What can you do in the moment to just let go and release and accept everything for what it is, and not try to control outcomes, but only control your reactions and your peace of mind. So I hope you guys loved this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, was able to take away something from it. I'm just so grateful and I'm so blessed, and I'm just gonna continue my journey because that's the only thing that we can do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.